That's the point. We told like yeah.
Yeah, we got.
Last time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
Nothing. You'll figure it out. Yes, we meant to video. To make it seem like some of us were on the side. Yes.
What you guys are going to do when I say go is you're going to pick up those boards and you're going to hold them above your head. Last one to drop the ball wins individual immunity. You guys ready? Your marks, get set, go. Jasmine's out, Lindsay's out, Thomas is out. Gabby and Kayla, Gabby's out. Kayla, you win individual immunity for the second time in a row. The next one voted out of the game, the next member of our jury, Thomas. Sorry, Brittany, give me your turn. Sorry, Thomas. Try to vote. 11 kids, 8 challenges, 1 birthday party. Who will win the grand prize and become our sole survivor? This is Survivor, Jasmine Island.
No, if you lose this and you get voted out, you're not.
But you have to get voted out.
Yeah. Why am I going to this tree?
Okay, this is hard though. Very.
It's either friends or
I don't know what to think about, but I peed really bad.
It all depends who wins immunity.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe
this,
2.
This video is gonna be like 3 hours long.
He's gonna edit it. It's on Math Big Dream.
Math's Big Dream. Math's Big Dream. Okay. How do you say this? His with two T's or one T?
Two.
It's on the shirt.
Don't know.
Hopefully.
But the votes all come
on
down.
the challenge.
If it has something to do with speed, not me. If it has something to do with balance and taking your time, me. Puzzles.
It maybe either balance or knowledge. I'm gonna say speed because I'm pretty quick. I'd say, like, if we have to like run or something, or like jump or something like that. If you have to tumble, she's good at that too.
Yeah, she's gymnastics.
She's a gymnast. She's like.
I know we're running in this one. Not me.
Teams.
Don't do it. That makes 2 people behind you. Is it the person standing next to you?
It is the person standing next to you. You guys are on a team. You guys are on a team. You good? Here's what's about to happen. The 2 people that win will be immune from tonight's vote. And the 2 people that lose will be up for elimination. What you guys are going to do, one player from your team is going to take this board. You're going to run down there. You're going to grab a stack. There's 6 pieces of wood in a stack. Bring it back here. Second person from your team grabs the wood, does the same thing, gets the other stack. Once you get both stacks back here, start putting together the puzzle. On your marks, get set, go. First team back with their pieces.
Wait, did we start voting?
And still struggling to get two pieces together that match.
Get this done.
Red team wins immunity.
We got two pieces.
Good job, you two. Take this back to camp. Everybody head back to camp. We'll see you at next tribal council.
Already?
Yep. All right. First vote. Kinsey.
I've been, I know, right? Every time I've been over
Second vote. Gabby. That's one Kinsey, one for Gabby. The last person voted out, leaving our final three. The next member of our jury, Kinsey. Please bring me your torch. I'm sorry, Kinsey, but your tribe has spoken. Please join the jury.
Tell everybody I'm not Jesse, get there before.
Jury, is this all the jury? We got everybody?
Yeah. Except for Brooke. She left.
Okay.
and Jordan.
Okay. Jasmine, I want you to tell the jury why you deserve to win.
Because I tried the hardest. Every single time I won. And I won tons of challenges.
All right, Kayla, tell the jury why you deserve to win.
Well, I feel as if I was loyal to all my teammates and everybody else. And me and my alliance tried to be fair with the people we chose written down.
All right, Gabby.
I deserve to win because I worked really hard and I was
All right, jury, if you guys want to go talk for a little bit before you decide to vote for it, go ahead. All right, everybody ready to vote?
Yeah.
All right, Gabe, you're up. All right, I'll see you guys back in America for the final count. Oh, wait. That's only on the show they do that.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
First vote, Gabby.
That's just one.
Second vote, Kayla. One vote, Gabby. One vote, Kayla. First vote, Gabby. It's two vote, Gabby. One vote, Kayla. Kayla. Two vote, Gabby. Two votes, Kayla. We're tied. And the winner and sole survivor, Gabby. Congratulations. This is your grand prize. Come get it. You're the winner. Good job, everybody. You guys all played hard. It was a great game.
All right, everybody had a good time?
Yeah!
I'll take your torches. You guys did an awesome
Well
job.
played, everyone.
We're gonna
Well
need
played.
those for the mosquitoes in the backyard.
You guys all played well. Good job.
I didn't play. I played one game.
You did that one game really well. YOLO.
Because she was like the most reasonable, like she would win and she would go throughout the survivor.
She, even though we didn't have a powerful alliance, she still won many challenges.
Because she tried her hardest. Because I can actually trust her.
played the first game, and we're nice. Everyone voted me out.
Because they were kind and they worked really hard.